Hi everyone, this is module number 114 for the subject of strategic human resource management. And in this module, we will talk about human resource development, formal learning processes. When we are saying formal learning processes, obviously there are some formal and informal learning processes in an organization. So, for the development of human capital, a capital is when we talk about the human capital, we are talking about the competencies, skills, and abilities possessed by employees of an organization. And cumulatively, that knowledge is the capital in the form of human capital in an organization. So, how can we develop the human capital? When we are talking to capital, remember that we are referencing to financial capital and the human capital. Something is financial capital and something is human capital. Human capital is based on employees' knowledge, skills, and abilities. What type of knowledge, we will talk about that, and how to develop, we will talk about that. So, formal and informal. The process of learning can be formal and informal. Which one is more salient in an organization? Which one is more prevalent in an organization? It's very interesting one. Anyway, the formal learning is organized interventions by employers that include the following three. What we mean by organized interventions by the employers. So, training courses and workshops, that is a formal intervention by your employer. This is a formal process of human capital or human resource development, that your organization is offering you the opportunity to enhance or develop your skills and abilities and knowledge through training and workshops, or training courses or workshops. So, education courses, or it could be through e learning, or in other words, on the job instructions. The on the job instructions or on the job learning is quite a long process, and it is a kind of something which is an ongoing process until you are doing your job. You keep on learning something. You do something incorrect and somebody corrects you. You do something incorrect and somebody helps you to do something in a correct way. I'm talking about, it's not that you have learned or you have recognized. That is an informal process. A formal process is when you are on the job and somebody tell you step by step what to do and how to do, and provides you on hand training or practical training of doing your job in an organization. So, formal learning is organized, as I said, intervention by employers, and also include coaching and mentoring. Coaching and mentoring, two words are usually used interchangeably, and also two words are used in a combination. However, there is a slight difference between coaching and mentoring. So, coaching can be focused on narrow range of skills. When somebody is giving you, for example, let's look at the coaching is more famous and might come in your mind when you talk about the sports. स्पोर्ट्स में जैसे कोच होते हैं तो दे हेल्प यू, जैसे क्रिकेट है नाउ डेज लॉट ऑफ गेम्स आर गोइंग ऑन, so the coach helps you to correct your bowling action. The coach helps you to how to ball and or how to play a football, or so on, other stuff. So that is coaching related to. Similarly, the coach, if you are a painter, somebody is coaching you that how to hold the brush and the shades and so on, and the combination of colors, and this is how somebody is giving you the coaching. And this is what we mention here, that it is related to the narrow skills or range of skills, definitely not one skill, but a range of skills needed to perform a whole job. When we are talking about mentoring, mentoring is quite broad. For example, if somebody is your teacher is a coach, or your teacher is a mentor. Think about it. Your teacher is a coach or your teacher is a mentor. We say that your teacher is more playing a role of a mentor. When a mentor is giving you a guide about the overall how you should behave, how you should work. So a mentor is enlightening your vision about something. आपको इस प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहिए, आपको जो है आपके ये स्किल्स हैं, so based on your skills you can be very good in that particular occupation. Think about your potential. So who talk about these type of things, we call them mentors. And mentors have a very deep relationship with their subordinates, and those who have accepted you as a mentor, they will have a very deep relationship with you as compared to the coaching and the skills. Thank you.